Hi guys, my name is Dharmendra Kumar. Now I am teaching you how we can install Hadoop on cloud using Amazon Web Services EC2. So this is my second video on YouTube. So for this, first of all open Google and write Amazon console and log in it into Amazon Web Services. In this video I am teaching you installation of Hadoop on sudo environment using web services Hadoop 2.6.0. So I am already registered. Now open my account. In the last video I am taught how we can create 3 instances on using Ubuntu. So now click on EC2. This is my portal dashboard. It will take some time because network problems, network is too slow, but don't worry about this. Yes, now 2 instances are running. Click here. I have already created my this instance sudo hadoop. Just copy the public DNS, copied it, and using putty server. In last class I am also teach you how what is putty, describe everything. Ubuntu @ username, actually copied the public DNS, SSH authorization, select the putty private key. I already described the what is the difference in between public and private putty key. Now here this is my login server Ubuntu 14.20. This is empty. We can say that ls command list, nothing is here. pwd current directory. Now first of all I am just update this operating system. Sudo apt get update command using sudo apt get update. So this is my first command. Under this is running completely. Now the second command, install Python software. This is default, or you can, depending upon you, if you want to go for the Python you can go, otherwise you don't need to do this. Now second one, sudo apt windows java 8 version, whatever with this we can install here java version. Now click here and the java platform is already now installed java 7. Yes, java, just a minute, I need to check java version. Here is some error, I think some problem occur. Let us check why this error has. Sudo apt get installer, why this happen? Just a minute. Sudo apt installed, sorry. First of all I am update my, because we have configured everything, so after that we need to update again because some files are updated, here, so we need to update again it. Now, just installed Java version. Let us see, is it running or not. Yes, correct, it's now running. Okay, now again, yes. Now this is our Java version is now installing. Yes, correct. JDK 7.7U80 14.9 MB. Now we can check Java version. Yes, this is our Java version 1.7.8.0. This is our Java version. Now second step, to configure SSH private and public key, sorry, secure socket, so that everyone, this symbol denotes that you have configured RSA algorithm completely and successful. Now copy the ID to the authorizations RSA. Yes, complete, successful authorization key. Now copy the ID to the local server, because our local server is Ubuntu at localhost. So we can check it. Yes, no such file or directory. Might be some error. Okay, no issue regarding that. Just a minute, I can check why is it happen. Just a minute. SSH ID public, no to worried about this. I think there is a space, extra space available or not. We just copied it at again and write in just a minute, and Ubuntu @localhost. Fail to open ID. Just might be there is some error due to let it got remove it, no issue regarding that. If any error, first of all check it, either an error occur, we can follow it again. Now this is authorization. Yes, so we have given the authorization that the permission 700 to user as well as the current user, group and all. So now the second step, to install Hadoop 2.6.0. Now this is installing our Hadoop. We can check by using ls command. Yes, now we can extract it here, Hadoop. Yes, login. Extracted, and now we will check where our Java version is installed. cd user lib ls. So here is JVM. We can find out where is JVM. Oh, just a minute. Local ls please outdate cd. This is now here our Java version installed. Now we can go to the Hadoop directory. Yes, cd Hadoop cd etc cd ls command. Yes, cd Hadoop. We can go. Sorry, cd Hadoop. Enter into the Hadoop directory. Here we have all the configurations file, but that are needed. So these are the XML files which is used, and on that basis the Hadoop is running. So first of all we can open cd Hadoop, sorry, cd no sorry sudo nano Hadoop env.sh. In this file we have made the path of Java. So our this is, yes, correct this. Our Java path is this: user live oracle 7. Can change it and copy it and paste it here. Now change it into core site.xml file. Sudo nano core site.xml. In this configuration we have defined the path of temporary as well as permanent directory where the metadata is stored. So first of all I'm just core site.xml. We have defined our home directory as well as this. Just copy it here. Now again sudo sorry sudo hdfs sorry. Now again second file is sudo nano hdfs site.xml. Here replication factor as well as where our data will be stored we can configure it. can copy it in. Now again we can change in mapred file site file. So where is mapred site.xml? So there is no available mapred site XML not available. So what we do, we create a new file sudo cp mapred site xml to mapred site.xml. Yes, not found, sorry. we have I have something mistake in this command, so just create it again. Now yes, we can check is it available or not. Yes, here available. Now open this file, sudo nano mapred site.xml, and open this. Now in this file I am just copying, sorry, configurations, data configuration, yes, copied here and put everything here and save this. Now our HDFS, Hadoop PNVS, CoreSet or MapRed, all the files are completely configured here. Now we can go on root directory. Under root directory, first of all I am just copying all the path of Java as well as Hadoop where we have installed. So what we do, just a minute. Sudo nano .wsrc file. Copied everything here. Yes. Do one thing, sudo nano, because I have made some changes in the path of Hadoop. So what I do, for if no error occur, I do one thing, Hadoop nano, sorry, Hadoop this to Hadoop underscore home. Yes, correct. cd Hadoop. Yes, correct it. cd dot. Now I have configured everything. Now the next step is to SSH localhost, giving some permission to the SSH localhost. So what I do, I am just copied the command SSH localhost. Yes, I want to connect with the localhost. Yes, already that's log into this. Now another task to create some directory on Hadoop FS. So first of all I am creating some directory deprecated Hadoop FS connection java.connection refused detailed completions localhost 90 deprecated, not an issue. I do something. First of all I do one thing, just Hadoop now format the name node. If this message shows that you have formatted the directory, if successful message is not displayed, it means that you have not created anything. So first of all I'm just start my all services. First of all check GPS. Yes, only one service is now running. Start all. Instead of deprecated most of the time, but it is running now. Starting name node and data node. Just wait a while. Yes, secondary name node is now running. So just wait a while. And now just JPL. Sorry. Oh, there it is. CD. We can go outside. Just a minute. We go outside from the root and just check is it running or not. Yes, our JPS file command shows that name node manager, resource, name node, everything is now running. Node manager, JPS, name node, resource node, data node and secondary name node, everything is now running. Now our task is to create directory on Hadoop FS. First I am creating user directory. Sorry, instead of deprecated HDFS we can use HDFS fs minus mkdir user. Main class is not load. Instead of localhost DFS warning, just I'm checking is it running or not. Hadoop fs minus ls space. Yes, created. Our user directory is now created. Now our second, you can create multiple directory on Hadoop. Now second, data. Cloud data. Multiple directory you can create on Hadoop HDFS. So we can check is it created or not. Hadoop fs minus ls user. So under that, yes, these are my directories are created. So this shows my Hadoop is configured 100%. Now you want to open it on browser graphically, how you can see. So you can easily, so first of all I'm just giving you example how we can store the data. First of just I'm creating opening a Google Wikipedia, how the data will be copied on server and whatever for the analysis. Just I'm copying this data, I'm just showing copied this data. And now here on Hadoop on local mode I'm just creating a file on local mode, sudo nano sample.txt. Yes, this file is copied. I'm copying here everything. This is my data. This is my data which is I am copied from Google Wikipedia. And now ls we can check. Yes, in the sample file. Now I want to send this sample.txt on Cloudera data whatever, where anywhere from these directories. So what I do, Hadoop fs minus copy from local sample.txt where user data. I'm taking the directory name data. Yes, correct. Now I'm just checking the yes, how we can check, is it directory available over there or not. Hadoop fs minus ls user data. Now this shows that my file is on server. Now I can want to show this on browser. You do one thing, nothing, you just copied this path, public DNS copied, open a click on a browser, copied here and just colon 50070. Yes, this is our browser where of Hadoop I have created. This is that everything live node only one, because I am worked on created only a one single node cluster on we cannot say that a cluster, only single Hadoop cluster Hadoop. So everything is here, DFS neon DFS used, remaining used whatever, and the file, just go to utilities, browse files, just yes, this is our main directory user. I have created Cloudera data, I have already created, and the file, yes, this is our file. Inside it we can check blocks information we have, so we can download here from here. Sorry, network problems or might be, so we can, okay. So this is our internal file. So please guys, this is, I think this is very good for you, the person who wants to learn how we can create Hadoop on cloud using Amazon server. This is the best way. You can see this video again and again and subscribe me. This is my second video, and now again another videos I will teach you how we can install other tools of Hadoop like Pig, Hive, Scoop and other, as well as I am also giving you the information regarding the how we can create cluster and configuration. So please, thanks for watching my this video, and please subscribe me and like. Thanks a lot. Bye.